Yep.
Have you heard this company Canoo with the EVs?
I saw this story just today.
Okay.
I'd never heard of them.
Of course you did. This is a very futuristic looking truck. Would you agree with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of... I'm not sure if I'm fond of the look, but it is one of the most futuristic trucks I've seen outside of the Cybertruck, and with a totally different approach. Just as far as imagining, like if you were to imagine, Will, you're making a video game set in the future, you might draw a truck like that.
Yeah, they have very simple shapes.
Interesting.
So this is what?
The
Delivery
MPDV.
vehicle.
I kind of want that. That looks cool.
Yeah, that looks...
I could get a lot of cargo in there.
Utility.
That's very Cybertruck, though. That's more straight lines.
Uh-huh.
But, oh, you know what? I have seen this vehicle. I've seen the lifestyle vehicle because it was on Jay Leno's show, on Jay Leno's Garage.
Oh, yeah?
He went for a ride in that. It's kind of funny. It's like the entire cabin is open.
Oh.
It's not typical seats. It's like a bench. You'll be able to see here, almost like a taxi or something.
Oh.
And they had some kind of a strange ownership model for that where...
Is that a yoke?
It might be a yoke. Yeah, they had a strange ownership model where I think you just book it or you pay monthly. You pay monthly, you don't own it. It's a subscription model.
Okay.
Which is kind of interesting. It has no screen. You have to bring your own device. Yeah, very interesting company out there in California. You could watch the Jay Leno episode for more on this one. But anyway, they're going to do a truck as well. Look at his tables in the back, Will. You could have a picnic over there.
Yeah. Or conference.
Yeah, look, man. A lot of things happening in transportation. You don't know where it's going to go. But anyway, I think the truck actually looks cooler. It's apparently going to be out in 2023. It has the cab all the way forward, sitting all the way at the front. So it's almost like their van-looking vehicle, but instead with a bed as opposed to extra cabin space. Executive Chairman Tony Aquila said in a statement that this truck is as strong as the toughest trucks out there and is designed to be exponentially more productive. We made accessories for people who use trucks on the job, weekends, and adventures. Go back to the original post, Will, so that they can get a better look at some of these truck photos. Yeah, if you scroll down, like look at
This is like the wilderness.
But like it's cool how they did the bed. The bed has LED lighting all the way around. And you see how it has a table over there on the side where the person put the coffee mug or whatever it is?
Yeah.
The thermos. And then also you have the doors that open kind of, what are those, like barn doors style open? Like not,
sure.
The tailgate doesn't just, it comes down, but then also these other doors open out. Like you have options. Plus they got the roof rack on it and they got the off-road tires on that particular model. I mean, she got a nice fire going on. That's a whole thing there. I see a tent in the bottom left corner.
It's kind of lit on the...
I know. The LED lighting is a thing. That's what they're saying. We got stuff going on that truck owners actually want. Specs promise more than 200 miles of range. Obviously, it's electric. Up to 600 horsepower. Towing capacity or payload capacity, 1,800 pounds. It's going to be taller than Tesla's Cybertruck. Shorter than the new Hummer EV. And it will be shorter, but it will have a pull-out bed extension, bringing the total length to 213 inches. So bed extensions are nice. I've had them in the past. I don't have one on the current truck, but that's where you may recall in the old truck where you had that thing where you could flip it out and then leave the tail down, and all of a sudden you got an extra foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one looks like it's actually built right in, and it's not a special gate, but instead it looks like the whole bed actually extends. So that's very cool. I'm glad, man. It's so much cool stuff happening in EVs. Who knows? Well, we may even get one in studio.
Yeah.
It's possible.
I'll work on it.
We may get one in studio. I like how I tell you, like it's just a random possibility, and you're like, no, I'll take care of it.